staking your tomato plants is very important because most of the diseases, for example, tomato blight, are coming from the soil and a lot of pests as well. So the higher you are keeping your tomato leaves and tomatoes from the soil, the better it is, because the less chances that you will get those pathogens and pests come into your plants. This is one of the reasons why you also need to cut lower leaves of tomatoes, and I do have a full video about this as well. You can check it after watching this video. So talking about staking, how to do it? First of all, there are different methods. You can stake, you can even cage tomato. In my opinion, caging requires too much work and it doesn't produce additional improvement. So I always stake my tomatoes. You can do it in several ways. The easiest and the most popular is just to put one stake next to your tomato. And the best way to do it is when you plant your tomato seedling, because later when you do it, you can damage your roots, and also it's not that convenient to do it. So wait a little bit until your tomato plant has grown a little bit, and when it is, I would say around 30-40 centimeters or a little bit more than a feet, you can already start staking it. You should do it once when you just start, but as your tomato grows, it's likely that it will require staking again. What materials do you use as a rope? Obviously easiest to use something like this or any rope, but I would not recommend. I would recommend something soft, something stretchy. For example, what I found best is like this, pieces of t-shirt, cotton t-shirt. They are very stretchy, and then when you attach it to the tomato plant, it's not a small line, but it's much thicker line, which also stretches. So tomato can grow, and it would not hurt it. Another way is if you have stockings, you can also cut pieces of stockings for the rope. Because of COVID, I didn't use too many last 2 years, so I don't have many. And also a new reason related to COVID, if you don't have any other choice, you can also use these stripes from COVID masks. So choose for you what you would be using. Once you have your stake, take your rope and first of all firmly tie it on the stake. The reason that you need to do it firmly is because you need to fix the place where it's attached to stake and it should not go up and down. Once done, very gently bring your tomato plant closer to where you want it to be and start tying it up. Leave some space for a plant to grow and also be able to move with the wind, and tie on the side of the plant again in order not to damage tomato plant. You see here there is plenty of space and it's also stretchy, so if for example there is a strong wind like I'm going to show right now, the plant still can move around. You should do it to all indeterminate tomato, but also some people recommend it to do determinate tomatoes as well. I hope you are staking all your tomatoes, but if you don't, do let me know why in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my videos in order to get notified when I post new videos about the plants and gardening. Bye.